Guys, I am back with my second Valentine's Day look for 2018. This is a bold pink look, sort of monochromatic, and I will be doing as my final look a classic sort of glam look with a red lip, so please stay tuned. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post videos. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. If you recreate it, make sure you tag me on social media. All of my social media will be up here. Yeah. And if you want to see how I did this look, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm already clean and moisturized and sweating. It is hot under this light. Okay, anyway, I'm going to start by priming with Maybelline New York Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna concentrate that mainly in my T-zone area because that's where I get oily-est and where my pores are the largest. Go figure. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and do foundation. And I'm using a Black Radiance foundation today. This is the Color Perfect Oil-Free Liquid Makeup in Mocha Honey. And I'm going to use this sort of condensed foundation brush. It is my favorite to use with liquid foundation. To go ahead and blend that onto my skin. And now I'm going to go ahead and conceal. And as you guys know, if you've watched my videos before, I use Dermablend Cover Cream to cover my spots. This color that I'm using right now is olive brown. I think it's Chroma 4.5 or something like that. I'm gonna set my under eye with Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 330 Toffee. It is lighter than my shade, so this is going to highlight my under eye area as well. I'm going to set the rest of my face with Fit Me powder foundation, and this is Set in Smooth 355 Coconut. I have hit pan, so I'm on the last little bit of it. I am sweating, let me blot. Okay, let's fill in the brows a little bit. As you guys know, I like my brows to look as natural as possible. So I don't carve them out, I just fill them in a little bit if I'm doing like a full glam-esque look. So that's that. Now I'm going to do my bronzing. I'm using this Shape contour palette that I got. It's by Style Essentials. Got it from Five Below, actually. So I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzing slash contour. For blush, I am using my Old Faithful for now. NYX Dusty Rose. It's what I've been using for like the last year as my like go-to blush. And for highlight, I'm using e.l.f. the Golden Bronzer palette. And that's basically the foundation face look. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you in and we can get started on the eyes. Okay, so I primed my eyelids with the Ruby Kisses Eyeshadow Magic Primer. And now I'm going to go into, this is the NYX Happy Birthday palette. I got it for my birthday for free at Ulta. I am going to go into this color right here. I don't think it has a name. If it does, it's not on here. And I'm going to go in with a fluffy blending brush and put that all in my crease and above the crease. Okay, next I'm going to take a flat shader brush and go into, this is the Beauty Treats palette. I picked this up at Five Below as well. Very, very affordable. I'm going to go into the lightest pink here. It's like a bright neon-y pink, and put that on my lash. Put that on my lid. Okay, now I'm gonna take that same fluffy blending brush and go back into that original brown color and go on the outer V, the outer corner of my eyelid, and blend right back into the crease. Okay, now I'm going to take a more compact crease brush and go into this deeper brown in the NYX Birthday palette and go right back over that outer V. Okay, I'm going to take the deeper pink from that little Beauty Treats palette that was right next to that original pink and lay that on top of the lighter pink. Okay, and then back into that deeper brown but with the fluffy blending brush and go over the crease and that outer V. Okay, and then I'm going to go back into that original lighter brown after cleaning my brush off a little bit and just buff out any harsh edges above the crease and around the edges. Okay, now I'm going to go into this lightest champagne color in the Birthday palette and just highlight my brow bone and go into the inner corner. And then I'm going to take a slanted liner brush and go into that deeper brown and just put that on my bottom lash line. And then I'm going to go in with my eyeliner and to line, you can use any black eyeliner. I'm using Dolce or Gucci Cosmetics Ultra Precision eyeliner in 500. It's just a black. So I'm gonna tight line first. And then I am going to do eyeliner on my top lash line. Just a thin line. And then I'm going to do mascara. Just using NYC Big Bold Angel Lash Mascara. Okay, so that's the eye look. Now I am going to move on to my lips. To finish this look off, I am going to be lining my lips with, this is actually an eyeliner, I think. Wet n Wild Color Icon Amethyst. Pretty sure this is an eyeliner, yep. But it's like a dark sort of plum look, plum color. And that's what I want. As my liner. So I lined with that, and then for my lips, I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty Starlit lipstick. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and set with Hard Candy Longwear Sheer and Be Longwear setting spray. It is my current favorites. It is thebomb.com, y'all. Okay, so that is the look. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.